Hey guys, just wanted to share with you how to set up a Finpro account and how to fund it. Okay, so this can be for any trading. We like Finpro because of the spreads, the commissions, that kind of thing are much lower than others. So this is why we're highly recommending it. So let me share my screen. All right, so this is where you want to go to get your Finpro account. Okay, I'll put this down in the links, but and let me emphasize something. It doesn't have to be this link, but it does have to be with the special deal with Finpro, because what this allows you to do is join Finpro with at a VIP level, even with as little as $100 in your account. So you're going to hit that and you're going to register, right? And I'm not going to go through this process, but it's very straightforward, right? And then once you log in to Finpro, after you do verification and all of that, you can easily set up a demo account. You can easily set up a live account. What I want to talk about specifically, though, that's tripping a lot of people up is how to fund this account. Okay, you have options. You can obviously do a transfer, a wire transfer from your bank. That is a royal pain in the butt. You can do Bitcoin, but a lot of you are using like Coinbase and other things like that. I'm going to recommend something to you that works much better. Okay, so let me okay, I think you can see that. Hopefully when I test this, you'll be able to see that. Okay, so Cash or Square Cash or Square Pay or whatever it's called, and you'll notice something. Now that there's the ability to do Bitcoin with this. So if you are in the United States, listen to me on this, use this. Now, if you do not have this, use the link below, and you can, you'll get $5 and I'll get $5, which will basically help pay for your fees, any kind of fees that go through this. Again, you already have it. Obviously, you don't need to do it again. If you don't want to use my link, that's fine. Use somebody else's. But definitely use a link so that you get $5 and they get $5. Don't just go straight to Square app or Square Pay or whatever the thing's called. All right. So as you can notice, now there is an option of Bitcoin. So if you push that thing at the top, you can go over to Bitcoin, right? And you can actually you can buy and you can purchase. So I'm going to do a purchase because I'm just doing a $10 purchase. I already got other in there, but I just want to demonstrate to these. So I'm going to buy $10, right? And I'm going to say add $10. And what it's going to do is it's going to connect to my bank account that is set up with this app, no problems. Now, the first time you do this, they're going to ask for verification, okay? They're going to ask you to take a picture, and they do it. It's like really simple. It tells you exactly what to do. It'll say set your debit card down or whatever, or no, it's driver's license actually. Set your driver's license down, and it'll have an automatic, kind of like when you do a check deposit with your bank on an app, and it'll show you exactly what to do. Then it'll say, hey, we need a picture of you, and it's going to do that too. And then in 24 hours or less, because it was less for me, they will email you and say, okay, you're good to go. Okay, and then that's the only time you have to do that. And then every time after that, you just do stuff like this. Okay, so I'm going to add $10, Touch ID. It's going to do this little thing here. Confirm your purchase. Confirm. Purchased. Done. Okay, now you can actually take this. So you would go back. You would go back to this. And you go to Bitcoin and you withdraw Bitcoin. Okay, and what you would do is you would withdraw, I'm not going to complete this process right now, but you would withdraw whatever. And then this is where you would scan the code. Now the code is, let's go back to the deposit process in Finpro now that you've got this part, because this is this is part you want to get set up quickly so that you have live money so that you can start trading in whatever platform you're using. Most of you know which one I use, but this is for anybody. This is generic. So let me change over to this, share screen, and I'm going to go ahead and sign in to my Finpro account. RoboForm, I love password savers because, I mean, I change my passwords frequently, and so things like RoboForm are great. Okay, so if you wanted to deposit funds, you have the option of bank transfer, or you have the option of paying via Bitcoin. So you go to Bitcoin, deposit, right? Now you can deposit to this Bitcoin address. Okay, so okay, guys. So once you do that with your app, okay, and it's waiting for a QR code to scan, voila, here's your QR code to scan. Now, the way to get to that, remember we were down in deposit. You actually have to go to Bitcoin Exchange and buy Bitcoins, and you will see the QR code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to withdraw Bitcoin, and I'm going to do the max that I showed you earlier. I'm going to hit withdraw on my phone, and now I'm back to what I showed you earlier. And I'm verifying it now. Let me share. All right, so as you can see, it grabbed my QR code using the camera on your phone, and it's got the information. I'm just verifying that it is correct from this, and it certainly is. So I will hit confirm. I will hit confirm. And this is your Cash App PIN. Initiated withdrawal. Done. All right. So that's what happens, guys. And then so now that Bitcoin money is going to go into the Finpro trading account. It may take a little bit. I'm going to pause this and see how long it takes. Hey, just want to show you guys something real quick. This is what kind of happens. First, you'll get a received unconfirmed, and then you'll get a confirmed. But that doesn't mean it's in yet. There's several steps that have to follow. So that's been in about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's see where we're at in a little bit. Okay, so it's been about an hour and a half later. I'm actually on a phone call here waiting for a person. So, but you can see that now I have the money available. And so to transfer it to my funding account, all I got to do is select my account, the account I want. This is my live account. Use max and transfer to trading account. Agree to fund my trading account. And if I go to my dashboard and I select that trading account, I should see Finpro has been pretty slow for Google Chrome, but you can see there it is. There's my balance. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to help. Again, this is for Finpro trading, which is the my best suggestion for trading as far as commissions and spreads, and teaching you, if you're in the US, how to transfer Bitcoin into that. And so I did that. You would probably take 24 hours your first time because you got to go through that verification process. But notice, I didn't have to go through any verification process on on Finpro to deposit that. So there you go. That should do it. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, remember the most important things in life are your health, your time, and your relationships. Make it a great day.